When issues arise, security suffers. Complaints about insecurity and theft have risen in Chabahar. I urge people to be vigilant and work for security. Religious leaders, the public and officials will ensure security isn't disrupted. We stress the importance of security because insecurity is harmful and affects everything. These issues and many problems will be addressed. There are many challenges and major tests for this nation. Grant us perseverance and success to move in the right direction and think about the well-being of society and everyone.